I'm Joost, I'm here with the NABOWAN door stopper. Okay, so let's unbag this. Okay, so this is a pretty soft material. It feels really soft, but it's still pretty heavy. So this will keep out any draft or sound that comes through the bottom side of the door. So that's pretty cool. And you also get this, so you can attach this to the door. So let's attach this. So first you need to measure how high you want to attach the strip. So let's do that. Then you can cut off a little bit of strip that you need for the door, just the entire length of the door. Now one side is tape and the other side is Velcro. So this really sticks to the door stopper. And then tape that all the way across the door. And now that it's attached to the door, you can stick the door stopper to the door with the Velcro and it will stay in place when you open the door and when you close it as well. Now this door stopper is pretty heavy, so it stays right on top of the floor, but it's soft, so it glides across your floor without any problem. And if you don't want to use it, you can take it off. The strip is see-through, so that's not really that bad. And you can hang it on your door or anywhere with the supplied strings at each end. So this is a great door stopper. I don't have any draft anymore, and I really recommend this one for anyone looking for a great draft stopper.